This is the air compressor, 2 horsepower, but you can see display only la capacitor by VESPA. They got this one 1 horsepower compressor by VESPA. It's 13,910. They got another 1 horsepower but from Powercraft. That's the price, 8,500 from 1 horsepower. So the Powercraft is cheaper. This is VESPA, 1/2 horsepower for 11,000 pesos. This is 1/4 horsepower compressor, 7,125 pesos. So that's the only compressors available here. This is the heavy duty air compressor by Houseman. That's the price, 20,560. And this one, Houseman, pila ni ka horsepower gang? 1 horsepower, 8,150 air compressor.
Oilless.
Oilless, basta Houseman. Kanira, this type is oilless. The same thing with this. Pila ni ka horsepower? Uno? Gato sa ganito. 1.5 horsepower compressor. Pilaga?
Kuha na rin mo eh.
Uno? One half ra siya? Pila?
8,775.
8,775. Pareha kanin siya Michelin. Lang kasi nagagmay. Michelin. Pila ka horsepower? 14,499.75. Pila ka horsepower ana? Sige makita. Michelin.
1 horsepower.
14,499.75. Kaning 45,499, 2 horsepower. Kaning Michelin na sad. 33,499, but it's 1 horsepower. That's Michelin. VESPA. VESPA is 17,800, 2 horsepower. Guba na siya. Sumuro to inyong kuan. Ato pa